So in today's DIY tutorial, we're going to change the burner underneath this glass cooktop. This is a triple burner, and you can see the center element is not working. So we're going to replace it with this one. I just got this in the mail from partswarehouse.com. This is not a paid sponsorship video. I just used them to order the part. So first thing we're going to do when working on anything electrical is unplug the power. And this glass cooktop is held on with 4 screws. So we'll take those out and the glass top should just come right off. And this should be similar on most glass cooktop stoves. This is the burner in question. Physically it looks fine, but when you turn on the triple burner setting, you can see the center element does not glow red. Something is definitely wrong with it. And I'm totally going to use a butter knife to remove it from the stovetop. There's 3 clips. You can use a flat blade screwdriver or a putty knife or anything else that's convenient for you. Once those clips are released, we're going to unplug all these wires. This would be a good time for you to take a picture of them or write down the order. There are 6 of them and they're different colors, so you want to make sure you get them back on the appropriate connections. So we'll just take this off. Then you have to remove the 3 clips from the old burner, and you just kind of pinch it together and it comes off. And we will be attaching those to the new burner. So underneath the old burner, you can see there's some holes and numbers, so you'll make a note of which number the clips were attached to. And the new burner has the same holes and numbers, so we will just simply move those clips to the new burner. And I'll try and zoom in here. I've already got one on. This will be a close-up of kind of how it goes into place. Just clips right on there just like that. And we'll do one more here. Close up. Once those are reattached, then they should just line up with the slots they were previously in, unless you put them on the wrong number. Then we'll reconnect all the wires. And then we'll plug the power back in and give it a test. So we'll turn it on the triple burner at the high heat setting, and right there you can see the center portion does work. Tested all of the burners before putting the glass back on, and everything seems to be working. So we'll put the screws back in. And then we'll plug it back in. And position it back into place. And then once it's back in place, we'll just turn them all on to high just to double check that everything is indeed still working. And they appear to all be working. Now I need to clean this glass cooktop. It's so dirty. Sorry about that.